Hello, YouTube viewers. This is Mike with Financial Market Geometry on Saturday, May 8th, 2021. It has been a good week for me and my fellow traders on Discord. And this week we change a little bit. We start with the NASDAQ. So because NASDAQ has much more clearer structures than SP500. So we can see on NASDAQ, this is NASDAQ Go. Allow me to draw a little bit here. NASDAQ here is since early May, this is movement A. Then we go up, down, B, right? Here. Now what do you do? It goes this, I think right now it goes up here is C. Although the C movement is supposed to be a 5 frame, the 5 frame is unconfirmed. And look at the daily, it got a long upper week. It gives bears quite some belief this is a continuation, right? Go like this, go down. But instead, I think we will see is NASDAQ go up and retest the high here. So the either can make the high, break the high, or forms this type of pattern. So that's a bigger picture for NASDAQ. With that said, let's look at go back to SP500 and take a look at SP500. That is what we're going to trade, and we have been trading for a while. All right. On SP500 weekly. This week, we had an okay bull bar, right? So the bull bar is after 2 consecutive dojis. So after he hesitated for 2 weeks, the market decided to advance more. But this is not the strongest bull bar for sure, because the single candlestick pattern called hangman. This hangman normally happens either on the bottom or on the top. This, I can't believe this is a bottom, right? So it got to be a top, but is this a true top? I don't think so. And the reason, if we go and look at the daily or 30-minute chart, you will find the reason. Later we'll say that. So just take my words, much more higher chance we'll see a higher high next week. If you're holding SPY longs, you're okay, right? And but since this is a high May, there be some chance the bear make a reversal next week. Let's say maybe 1/3 of chance. So both bears and bulls got chance, but bears are underdog right now. Okay. On the daily chart, what is this market doing? If we zoom out a little bit, since November low, right? We had congestion, now a congestion. What this is really? Well, you can see here is the first congestion here. Right? There's two overlaps. This is the reason why actually we look at it. Look at it, the NASDAQ first. No, okay, because this NASDAQ is much more clearer. Then we have second congestion here, right? Now we have the third here. So what is this doing? I would say 90% chance it is forming a higher frame congestion. 30F, above 30F is daily frame. So this is from a daily frame congestion. How does this form? Right. So this one way is what I draw here. I draw already a little bit here. One way is what I drew here, right? Down, up. We already have one there, but now it's still 3F. If we keep doing this, up, down, up, down, up, down, then this become DF congestion. In this case, bull has enough region to go up. Of course, another way is we go up, down, up, down, up, down. Then at a certain point, they start drop, okay? Down to this area, 3,900 roughly, 39 to 3,800. So in this case, it will form DF congestion, go like this, right? The whole thing move, finished, then can go up. So either way, longer term, bulls are okay, in my view. Let's clear out this drawing and go back to a little bit detail, seen on the 3-minute chart. Remove this because it has not happened. Do not let that interfere with our analysis and point of view. Okay, let's see. Last week on Saturday, I mentioned most likely the market is on 1F up, right? Yes, that is last week is where it is. So May 1st is the first day of this week, so it's here. We're at right here. Yes, this. So okay, at that time is last Friday, April 30th. I called, says this is on 1F up, but actually at that moment, people really maybe a doubt is really 1F up, but I did that made that call and trade it with DIA, Diamond ETF calls. So if we look, Diamond is the strongest among all three indexes. So from we called here, one long option here, is spread option, exit here, long here, exit here, right? Then at this line here, this bar here, we go short. Why do I short? Because this, I see this as 5F, one sale, right? This is 5F first sale. This is second sale. This is a second sale of the second sale. That's why I go short. So use VIX, VXX, VIX, long VX, short it, and then we also add short here and cover a little bit late earlier at this here. And we went long right here, this bar here. And I forgot if I hold longs overnight or not that. I cannot remember. I think I hold longs, partial longs. But what we did the best is we did go long at this point for sure. With full size long here. So get out from here all the way to open the Friday open. So basically the last 3 weeks we almost caught every up and down 1F for sure. The only thing that I forgot if I think I short here. Okay. Yeah, this is shorted this way, but we do not short here. We instead of short here, we short here. And follow this we got. And this we got, the long for sure we got. And we average here and we short here. And this we got. Okay. Now I can remember. This I got, this movement I caught, this I missed. This you missed. Okay. And these of course got that. So basically we made several good trades. Next week, okay, let's see, clear out this mess and see what happens next. What will happen next week? Next week is interesting. Will be okay. We have the 5F up and the second movement 5F down. This is the third. On the third movement, we already have first congestion here, right? And we have second congestion here. Second congestion here. So it cannot have says the 1F movement up movement has ended, but it is very close to end. And since this second, this is third 1F up movement, it's much stronger than the first one. It is reasonable to think we have the third movement. So we end up with, here is, we will have, or will either go up a little bit. Let me have to use a drawing tool again. Since star chart drawing is a little bit. We either have ended if on Monday we have lower opens here, then this already end. Okay, then we have go up like this, or it's higher open higher. Will start to going down, then we go up. Okay. Anyway, there will be the fixed leg up. So after fixed leg up, and on May 12th, this is 5. Okay, May 12th, May to 14. This is a time pivot. So I think next week at least we'll see this 5F movement at least May 12th. At least May 12th. May extend to May 15th, 14th. If May 14th, we may go like this, okay? If May 12th, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1F movement. So if 14th, at least 7. Oh. Then we go start to either go like this, or we can go start to move down. I do not know, but this more likely is we have either 5 1F movements, or we have 7 1F movements on this 5F up. And the time to watch is May 12th and 14th. The structure already drew here. and you can see, and the price-wise, if it is going only has 5 and 1F movement, and then at here, this roughly my estimation is 42.75. Okay. If you are talking about 14, we are talking then maybe 31.10. So this is a time, price, and time price and structures. I think I said it very clear, and all the information I've given you. So happy trading. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.